This is a quick status update, primarily for Al, who owns this high-speed game, which this System 11 board came from. Um, it's mostly working now. The lamp matrix now works. I've replaced two 7408s to get this thing going. The solenoid outputs, I've replaced three 7408s. So that brought most of this back to life, except for two channels. There's number one and number 16. Number one's controlled from a 74 LS374 that has a blown channel, and number 16 is the problem with that one is from a 6821 PIA. I can order both of these parts from Pinball Life. They seem to be unobtainium from DigiKey or anywhere else other than eBay, so Pinball Life's probably the fastest way to get these things. I'm also going to order an NVRAM chip for to replace the static RAM, so that way you won't need batteries. And everything else, near as I can tell, seems to work. Like I say, the lamp matrix is okay. The solenoids, they're getting there. The special solenoids work just fine. I have not tested the switch matrix or the display driver circuit. That's next. I'll throw this thing back in the machine and prove it out just to make sure everything's okay. But yeah, it's coming along. Anyway, all for now.